So,
Lovely.
for example, if you wanna make 1 cup of the chai, so half 50% or 60% milk, and then half is water. Then come here.
Okay, let's go in the kitchen.
Yeah. So then just little bit you need to
Oh, on the
warm
fire.
up. Okay. That. Then after that is okay. So now I will put here. Come here. Oh, I want to show them what they are making. So this is black tea. I'm going to put look in 1 cup.
Yes.
So 1 spoon and little more. Yes. Okay. Then what will I do? Sugar is. What do you want for the sugar? It's up to you. Okay. How
Okay.
much is your 1 spoon? How much?
You are the chef, so I trust you.
Okay.
Oh my god, how much sugar!
It will not be so much. Don't worry. So now this is my magic recipe that I'm not going to tell you. There's some mix up I made.
How many spices are there?
3.
Okay.
Okay, cardamom, clove, and black pepper.
Oh, was clove and
Yeah.
black pepper.
Yeah. And little there is what? Lemongrass.
Oh, that's the secret ingredient.
Yeah.
But now we told everybody. It's no secret anymore. Let's see. Oh, that's very nice.
So, if you wanna put the ginger, you can put the ginger also. So,
Fresh.
I will take a knife now. What will I do, ginger?
And you chop it or you grate it?
Both.
Okay.
So look now what I'm doing with the ginger.
And peeling.
Peeling the ginger.
So how much time does it take for you to make the chai?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'll put the ginger in that. And then put the ginger here. Okay. Yeah.
Does it have to boil the milk a little bit?
Oh yeah, I'm boiling now. Look at this.
Ah, okay.
So boil it.
Nice.
So it is going to boil now, and then when it's boiling, then turn off. Do like that.
Okay.
Okay. Then again boil it.
Oh. I didn't know you could boil plant-based milk.
Then again do this. Then last time I will boil. Okay. Now.
Yes. 3 for luck, they say
Yeah.
in Ireland.
And then I will take from here.
Look how tidy and
This.
clean.
And now, so from here, I can start this. Oh, okay. Now this is finished.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Let's
So
see.
I'm going to offer her.
Oh. That's a man to be married.
Huh?
That's a man to be married for.
No need to marry? Okay, so her chai is ready.
Lovely.
Ready for the chai?
Shall I stop?
Yeah, you can stop.